So guys, I just come for show now how I clean up the turkey neck before I do nothing else to it. So before I season it or cook it, this is the process I go through. The night before, we usually soak it in a salt water with lime and vinegar. So I soak it overnight. Then I rinse it off and then I go through it one by one and scrape off that skin, or I don't know what that is on the turkey neck. And if you can see, you'd realize that it have two layers. Oh my god, I wish I knew the name for that. But you have one that holds the meat together and you have one on top of it where it's just nasty and need to go. So as I said before, we'll go through it one by one and clean off the excess membrane off the turkey neck, and then we're gonna move on to the next process. So just keep watching and then you'll see what I do after this step. Wanna remember, so turkey neck kind of raw, and not only turkey neck, turkey itself kind of have this raw thing to it. So you have to make sure you deal with it properly. So yeah, we're almost there. Alright, just watch. I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna see what come off of the turkey neck. You're gonna shock for the amount of nastiness come off of the turkey neck. This, you see all of that? This was all that came off the turkey neck. Nasty, right? So we finished clean. So it look pretty and clean. So if you don't see anything else when I want to take off, and just, so what we're gonna do now, oh god, I can't. So we have a pot of water here, so we're gonna just call off the turkey neck in a minute. So I just call off that for a while and we'll come back. So you see that? So I'm gonna throw it off now. See that? Alright, so I'm gonna run some cold water over it now. I'll continue to wash it off.